Good day, class. We still want to solve more problems as we treat work, energy and power. In my last video, I discussed all the formulas needed to calculate work, kinetic energy, potential energy and power. Today we want to see an example on power. Look at an engine raises 100 kg of water through a height of 60 meters in 20 seconds. What is the power of the engine? To the solution now. To the power of the engine, let's see all the parameters. We are given mass, as mass is 100 kilogram, is 100 kilogram through a height, so h is 60 meters in 20 seconds. That's time is 20 seconds. What is the power of the engine? Power is mgh over time. That means energy expended over time taken. But in this scenario, we're giving potential energy. Energy expended over time taken. The energy is mgh, potential energy. So when we substitute in the formula, the power will be mass is 100. Our G in the question is 10. 10 times our H is the height, that's 60, over our time, 20. So we have power. So when we cancel the zeros, we are left with 2 here 1, 2 in 10, 5. So 5 times 10 times 60. So 5 times 10, 50. 50 times 60. So 0, 0. We have 5 times 6, that's 30. That's 3,000 watts. So the power in the problem is 3,000 watts. I think you have gained something in this video. See you in my next video. Bye.